Good morning, Vietnam. Well, Morgantown.
Morning.
Oh.
Yeah.
Someone's naked. But yeah, today is gonna be fun days. We've got Taylor's got to go to work. Yeah. I'm going to see some friends that I haven't seen in a long time, so that'll be a fun time. Midder's gonna look at me like I'm crazy. Accomplished. But yeah, gonna go see some friends. Gonna go hang out with some people. But first, me and this very pretty lady, we're gonna go get some breakfast.
So it stopped raining and now it's just a beautiful cloudy day. I love cloudy days. You know, they're underrated. In terms of everyone's just like, it sucks, it's so rainy. It's like, you know what? Every once in a while it's okay. Today's that once in a while. What do you say, Josh?
I agree. It's definitely, because I can tell that it's not really supposed to rain for too much longer. So it should be a good day. I'm excited to be off work and enjoying time with my baby.
Look at these tattoos. One day this will be finished and you'll look back at this video and be like, man, remember when my tattoo wasn't finished?
Yeah.
And the chest piece too.
I need to get a hold of Jason.
Absolutely.
I saw Eric the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah, I saw Eric the other day.
Tattoo artist talk. So are you guys setting up another appointment to get your chest piece done?
Yep. Get another appointment coming up soon to get my chest piece.
Woo!
Well, getting it finished more than what it already is.
Oh yes, tattoo talk.
Dance party.
Like the weirdest 90s dance party ever.
Fuck yeah, it is. I'll dance party anywhere, I don't give a fuck.
So we found the perfect setup whenever we're waiting for Taylor to go into work. It's hanging out, chilling.
We're going to the beach.
And watching CTFXD. Fuck yeah. Best greeting ever is when you come home to a dog that is happy to see you, aren't you? What does that matter? Oh, and I don't think you've been properly introduced. This is Zeno. What's up, Z? Say hi. Say hi to JayTv. He seems pretty happy about it. But this is Zeno. He is the man. This is the guy that keeps me sane. Most people know him. If you know me, you know him. That's for damn sure. Yeah, this is my dude. So twice now, I've put my friend Nate's address in my GPS. One took me down a private road that started showing me no trespassing signs and all this other shit. And then the other took me to a fucking graveyard. And I've checked the address twice and everything's fine. So I'm not gonna get frustrated. I'm just gonna go and meet him somewhere else because I can't find his house. So now it's, yeah, finally met up with Nate. That's Nate up there in his car. But yeah, getting ready to head over to my friend Tia's house. Probably drink some beer, eat some good food. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Oh yeah. Got some delicious tilapia. We got umbrella drinks.
Hey.
Oh, look at that. Like it's getting real out here. It's getting real.
When you know we mean business.
And then we've got potato chips, like for real. Like for real. Yeah. That's some yummy shit. That's some yummy shit. Watching bees tear down the house.
Bees. Fucking bees.
Bee apocalypse.
They keep spitting out the house. Bees. Literally.
I love that.
Bees! Beer pong time. What do we got going on?
I think because we stayed at my parents' house last year and they don't have air.
Oh,
we need to run to it.
Almost. Shit's getting real.
Sorcery. There's sorcery in that speaker going on.
This man is a wizard.
That was a goddamn. She bounced it.
Oh, shit's getting real.
Yes.
Shit's getting.
Many years. Maybe it's still active. Maybe shit's still on fire.
Are you still trying to take a picture? Are you still trying to take a picture?
That's not
Will you guys get
picture.
one?
That's the best part. Is just to put
fantastic. They want
a
to send
camera
one.
at someone and just wait how long they'll sit there and wait to take a picture. It's like, wait.
Who wants a picture of the goddamn ugly faces?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And then shoot your
Way down, or else you cannot succeed. Ready?
I don't care. I don't know. Just fucking shoot your pants. No, Trudy. Oh my God, Trudy.
What are you doing?
I'm knocking cans over. Oh yeah.
So, Chuck has had hiccups for a long time and can't get rid of them.
I don't care.
And apparently shitting your pants is the only remedy.
I hear zesty taco sauce from Taco Bell will work.
It's actually zesty onion sauce from Burger King, but good try.
Rub it directly on your teeth. It'll be fine.
Oh my God.
You know what?
Oh, man, I'm always bad at saying goodnight. Like, I never have like a sign off. I always just stop filming. You getting ready?
Yeah, get ready to go to the grocery store.
We'll get some food. Yeah, I'm always terrible about saying something to end the night. So, good night and good morning. But yeah, so yesterday was fun. Got to hang out with some friends, play some beer pong, drink some beer, all that fun stuff. So today is going to be a little bit more of a chill day. I think I'm going to go to the gym. Me and Taylor are getting ready to go and get some breakfast and get some food for lunch. To make later for lunch. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Gotta wait for this girl to find out what kind of cat litter she wants.
Cutie needs the best. Okay. Alright, we're actually getting to a red light right now, so it's kind of perfect.
Damn it.
Oh damn, it just turned green, so alright, you just have to rewatch. Right. I literally just took the tiniest sip, and that was the nastiest thing I've ever eaten in my life. I have to drink.
On the way to the gym, gonna go do a little working out, and then I don't know what the days. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do today. Another day off, and another day to just kind of enjoy. My baby is at work right now, so I don't get to see her until later today. So, gotta make the best of it whenever she's not around. So, I don't know. I'll see you soon. It's time to work out. Let's do this. Whew. Yes. Well, that was a good workout. Nice, quick little, 30, 40 minutes at the gym. Does his body good. Does his body good. But yeah, nice workout. So now it's time to go home and probably get the pup and go do something outside because he has been stuck inside for way too long. So I think it's about that time. So time to go get the pup.
It's funny because I'm sitting here watching YouTube as I'm editing videos to put up on YouTube. I mean, why not, right? It's been fun. I'm really liking this whole vlogging thing. If anything, just to look back and see what I'm doing and be able to just kind of give myself a little checkpoint, give myself a little thing to be like, hey, you remember I did this? So it's kind of fun. Right now, it's just me and Z hanging out, enjoying the night before I go pick up Taylor. Oh shit, I actually just saw what time it is. It's kind of funny because it is about 15 minutes before I have to go get her. I'm on my way to get Taylor, go pick up my baby from work. It's gonna be another fun night of doing whatever the hell we do. Look who's here.
Hi.
Oh, can't really see
I
her.
was like, what? Hi.
There she is.
Hello.
But yeah, got Taylor. Now it's time to go home and chills and finish editing the vlog. Sitting here watching CTFXT, hanging out for the night. I think it's about that time. Say goodnight and chill for the rest of the evening
Yes.
while I sit here and wait for the 160 minutes.
I'm gonna eat some pasta. I'm gonna eat a lot of pasta.
Lots of pasta. All up in the belly.
All up in the belly. And the face.
Yeah, yeah.
The face hole.
All up in the face hole. But yeah, it's another awesome day. It's another chapter in JayTv. So, saying so long.
So long.
And yeah,
Until tomorrow.
until tomorrow. So long from JayTv.
Adios.